Day two.
Cleaning.
We're just going in with some white rags. We put some Goo Gone on the like grimy parts, kind of just like oily dust and dirt right now. So we're just kind of picking up all the pieces, and then we're gonna try to scrape off all this glue dots.
All right, what are we doing here, Tara?
I'm basically just vacuuming all the like dust and dirt off the floor, and then there's some like more wet stuff that's kind of like grease and dust mixed together. So I'm just going in with this like plastic cleaning brush and just kind of chipping away at all the grimy stuff, and then I'm leaving the dry stuff for the vacuum. But then after we get it all cleaned out, we're probably gonna degrease it with a mixture that we made, and then try to get all of the glue dots off. If you have a factory floor in your van and you're thinking of not taking it out, I would suggest just going for it, take it out, because I'm noticing a lot of rust spots and random screws just like all over in the floor that are just rusting out. So if you don't have that floor out, it could be rusting underneath. Even like these pieces that I'm scraping and a piece of rust flies out, and if you don't catch that, like vacuum it or whatever, it could just land somewhere and just rust that area out. I feel like it's a safer bet just to take it out, do the work to clean it, gut it, seal up all the rust spots.
Do a deep clean. This is probably the least fun part of the process, but it's a necessary part.
I feel safe knowing that we're getting it done though. Another thing, when you're going around cleaning, if you are doing this process, there are a lot of random nails around, like probably a dozen. Did I say nails? I meant to say screws. You can see between the beams there's no screws or anything. They're all in the beams. So just watch when you're gonna step on a beam. The last thing you want is a rusty screw through the bottom of your shoe and into your foot. Just be careful where you're walking and where you're kneeling, putting your hands while you're cleaning this stuff, because we're gonna have to get all those out eventually. I have earplugs in, so if you're gonna be using a vacuum a lot, get some kind of earplugs. It'll just protect your ears and your head from the vacuum noise.
Sure, it's cutting it, it's scratching the floor.
We got it out. No way, nice. Sweet.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now.
So we found it works if you take pliers. Preferably the needle nose ones, but this is fine too. And kind of grabbing a piece and kind of twisting it.
Wow.
And once you get it started, you can keep going. Oh, there we go. Okay. I like the rolling screw. Oh man, just have a tiny little start. Look at that. Beautiful.
It's crazy how good that works.
Yeah, because it gives it some torque when it's like too close to pull anything. Oh, ouch.
Your head?
Yeah.
Did you?
Clonked in the side. Just threw me. Day 3. Cleaning. Still cleaning.
We're at my parents' house, and we're gonna continue cleaning the van.
Before we do anything, gotta put on some protective equipment. Putting these masks on would feel really strange. We didn't live through a pandemic. Okay, so Andrew's just trying to get off some of the remaining glue adhesive from the factory floor that we did earlier, I brought our pliers again. Just because there's a couple like thick pieces, and the only concern is it kind of makes a bubble on top, so if we put our like insulation down, it might wobble because there's a big glob sticking up, so we're just trying to pick off some of those extra pieces. Alright, so we were able to get some of those glue dots up just by sanding the edges until they were kind of flappy, and then grab them with the pliers and like peel them off. Just the ones that were like kind of funky, so they wouldn't. Globs. Yeah, now we're just gonna vacuum. Maybe a little overkill, but I'm prone to getting stuff in my eyes all the time, so not like that today. It looks like they had insulation in here already. Like there's like some fluffy stuff. I should probably wear a mask because it looks like fiberglass, isn't it? Alright, so it was fiberglass. Insulation just hiding in the sides. I just got a big chunk of it out, and then I was like, oh, I should probably wear a mask. So if you happen to have fiberglass just randomly in your van from whatever was used for before, make sure to wear a mask because that stuff is dangerous. We're just using some Dr. Bronner's unscented Castile soap. With water.
It's window day! Should have worn long sleeves.
Did not think this would be the hardest part of doing the windows.